Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2015 Mazda 3, stock number 6489. This ran from 11th 2013 to 2nd 2019. It has a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. The front headlight has light stone chips. Left front guard no dents. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear boot lid no dents. Right rear tail light. Right front door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard no dents. Right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front headlight light stone chips. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heated AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.